So we're going to cover USB streaming on the V-160HD. You have a USB Type-C port on the back, and that would be connected to a computer, Windows or Mac, and basically turns all this into a webcam with video and audio. So with that Type-C connection, a couple different options for cables. It does not include a cable, but I can send recommendations. So you're going to want a Type-C connector, obviously, to be connected to the V-160HD. And if you have a Type A port, there are some USB-C to Type A cables that support super speed USB 3.0. So what you're looking for is USB 3.0, super speed, 5 gigabits per second. If you see a cable has all three of those, there's a good chance it's going to work. But if you have any questions, just run it by me and we can look into it. Another indicator here is that this is blue. That's indicative of super speed. But again, it's not a guarantee of the cable's performance, so it can't hurt to check with us. Now, of course, if you're a Mac user, chances are you might have just USB-C ports on your MacBook. So you're going to want to go C to C. So here's a C to C cable. These are a little trickier to find because there are a lot of cables are for like this are for charging phones, and so you want to make sure that it supports that super speed 5 gigabit USB 3.0. And Thunderbolt 3 should work as well. It's a very fast cable, but those can be quite expensive. So I have found that this super speed C to C cable works pretty well and is a fraction of the cost. So again, reach out to me about those, and I can get those questions answered for you. And also, too, we'll just go back to those settings, the USB out and the video output menu. Here you can get the connection status to make sure that it's connected and fast enough. I don't have it connected right now. And for troubleshooting, you can hit the connection reset button if you run into any issues. So another thing too, just to review, is that the USB output, you can have the frame rate here in the system menu. So if you want to just be outputting 30 frames from the switcher, you can easily do that there. But I have it at the default of 15994, just like the HDMI and SDI video outputs. From there, if you're on Windows, you can use Roland Live Recorder or Roland Live Streamer. Those are free solutions we have for Windows 10 that allow you to either stream or record the video. And if you're on Mac, we don't have a streaming solution for Mac, but you could use something like OBS Studio and configure the V-160HD as a video capture device and an audio input capture device, and you'll have video and audio coming into OBS, and you can stream out from there.